Rekindle is a first-person narrative experience in VR where the interactor embodies a gay protagonist on a journey to recover lost memories. The primary motivation of this project is to foster a deeper understanding and empathy towards the LGBTQ+ community. The project's central challenge is how might we more effectively leverage the interactivity afforded by interactive narrative to create dramatic agency, thereby enriching the narrative. The project has two goals. The first goal is to create dramatic agency. The second goal is to foster the active creation of belief, designing interactions that are coherent and grounded in the narrative. The narrative journey begins in the bedroom. As the interactor puts on the mind link, they enter a memory retrieval sequence, followed by a transition to the headspace. In the headspace, the interactor will acquire the memory illuminator. Act of grasping the memory illuminator triggers a door opening. After passing through the door, the interactor will enter the memory dimension and traverse the virtual space to recover memories. The acquisition represents the interactor's agency in retrieving the lost memories. As the interactor gets closer to the sites of memories, the illuminator illuminates, serving as a visual indicator. Upon reaching these memory sites, these memories materialize as animated particles, evoking the sensation of reliving past moments. When the interactor presses the VR controller's trigger, the memory illuminator absorbs the memory particles, and the bar indicator shows the interactor how many memories they have collected. This memory illuminator aids the interactor in identifying, collecting, and revisiting the memories they have collected, allowing them to explore and uncover memories scattered throughout the virtual environment.
What's wrong with you? I'm not a fucking faggot, just curious.
The user studies have led to a significant conclusion. Interactive models can facilitate clear interactions when derived from and coherently integrated with the narrative. Such integration not only grants the interactor a sense of dramatic agency, but also enriches the narrative experience.